Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Do you struggle to explain your thoughts in English? Sometimes we know the words, but when we arrange and speak it out loud, it seems to be a mess. My brother had this issue. He knows everything, his vocabulary is excellent, but when he arranges and speaks something, it is not clear. It was difficult for him to arrange and speak something clearly. Don't worry if you face this issue. I have a simple trick that can help you speak clearly and confidently in English. Today, I will teach you the HIT method. HIT means highlight, improve, talk. I'll tell you what HIT method is, and this can help you explain anything in English step by step. By the end of this video, you will know how to explain even the complex ideas in English like a pro. You can speak English like a native if you try practicing this HIT method. The first step is to highlight the basic sentence. The first step is to keep it simple. Think of one clear sentence that captures the basic idea. You can use this when you are in a hurry or if you want to explain something to someone easily, like in a quick sentence, just in one sentence. You can say this to someone who wants a quick answer from you. I'll give you an example. Let's take the topic, a pen. I can give the highlight of the pen like, a pen is something we use to write. This step is easy, right? You need a subject, a verb and a little description. You can get this sentence easily. So this is the first step, to highlight. Now, the second step, that is to improve. This is the detailed answer. So the second step is to add more details. Imagine the listener doesn't know much about the topic. You need to explain it to them, but you need to keep it simple. That is what happens in this second step. You need to improve. You want to give them the information, but you should keep it simple. Now let's take the example of the pen. A pen usually has ink inside it. Pen is used to write on paper. Pens can be of different types like ballpoint pens or fountain pens. That's it. You just need 2 or 3 sentences. At this level, just think of 2 to 3 sentences that explains how, why or what. Now we go to the T in the HIT method, to talk a lot. This is where you explain everything in detail. As if you are telling a story. You can use examples, comparison, or you can even share your personal opinion. Let's look at the example related to pen. A pen is one of the most useful tools in the world. It has been used for centuries to write letters, stories, or ideas. Nowadays, pens comes in all shapes and colors. My favorite pen is a ballpoint pen because it doesn't smudge and it is smooth. Did you know the first ballpoint pen was invented in 1888? Here you can get creative. Imagine you are explaining to someone who is very curious and eager to learn. Now it's your turn. Pick any object around you, a cup, a chair or a phone, and try the HIT method. Start with one simple sentence and then add details, and finally try to explain in detail like a story. The HIT method is like a workout for your English. The more you practice, the better you will get at explaining your thoughts clearly and confidently, and this can help you speak English fluently in any situation. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.